What's up?
I see you already found someone else.
Yeah, I'm sorry, who?
Playing dumb won't get you anywhere, dearest. And as for you, get the hell out of here! Me and your girl need to have a little talk. If that's what it takes for you to leave. So
3, 2, 1, go!
Good job, babe.
You really can't take a hint, can you? Don't you see what she is doing? She's just using you. All she does is feed you emotions filled with lies. I made that same mistake. I gave her my heart, and she left it in pieces. Do you still think this is some kind of joke? Fine. But don't say I didn't warn you.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's over!
Beat up. Don't worry, hon. I'm alright. Oh my god, you're bleeding. Are you okay?
Shut up. You don't mean that.
Seriously, dude, what the fuck is your problem?
Wait, Tabby?
Oh, so you do remember me. I did everything to try and turn myself back to normal. But the moment I tried to reaching out for your help, I see you with him! So did none of our love matter? Our talks? Our laughs? God, I spent so much money for you, and this is how you repay me! Everything is gone, all because of you, and that two-faced fuck you call it father! Look at you, doing anything for her love. But you know I won't stop until I see her gone! Your dad broke my body, and you broke my heart! And you know what? I don't care anymore! I can't stand this curse you brought on me! And I won't